This is problem number 11 on the practice problems for test number 3. Find the sum of the series 1 minus 1 over 3 factorial plus 1 over 5 factorial minus 1 over 7 factorial plus dot dot dot. Hint, recognize the series as a Taylor series evaluated at a particular value of x. That's an important hint because finding the sum of almost every series is beyond our means. It's just way too hard to do. We've spent a lot of time trying to decide if a series converges or diverges. But as far as figuring out what a convergent series converges to, if it's not geometric, we don't really have much chance except for this new class of problem where we recognize a Taylor series that's been evaluated for some x. So search your brain or search the Taylor reference sheet for a series that has 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 7 factorial, those odd ones. So hopefully you find it. And it has to do with the sine function. So I'm just going to copy the Taylor series for sine. Again, this is on the reference sheet. And the reason we gravitate towards this one is because we see those odd powers, well, I guess we see the odd factorials. And then we say, okay, is there any way to make the original problem match up with this thing right here? What value of x? Well, x equals 1 is the value that's been plugged in. So then if we say that we were going to plug in x equals 1, then we would say that sine of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 cubed over 3 factorial plus 1 to the 5th over 5 factorial minus 1 to the 7th over 7 factorial plus dot dot dot. So then our answer to this problem is sine of 1. And if you care to type it into the calculator, you can see that it does agree here, at least it's pretty close. So I've just typed in the first 4 terms there, this thing, and we'll get some decimal. It's that. And I want to compare that to sine of 1. It's not going to be perfect because we've only done 4 terms, but that's pretty darn close. And if we had done a few more terms, it would be even closer to sine of 1.